Hello, boys and girls. It's Teacher Nay. Today we're going to read My Face and Head. You can repeat after me. Let's go. This is my face. These are my eyes. 1 eye, 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. These are my ears. 1 ear, 2 ears. I have 2 ears. This is my mouth. 1 mouth. I have 1 mouth. These are my teeth. This is my nose. 1 nose. I have 1 nose. This is my head. I have a cap on my head. This is my hair. My hair is on my head. All right, great job, boys and girls. Now we're going to read our face and head flashcards. I will say each word 3 times. Repeat after me. Face, face, face. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Ears, ears, ears. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Nose, nose, nose. Head, head, head. Hair, hair, hair. The end. Great job, boys and girls. See you next time. Goodbye.